So that hurt just a little bit. And it's funny because I double checked the screws on the weight before I started lifting, and I don't know what happened when I came down with that last rep. The screw came loose and the 10-pound weight smashed the side of my foot. And my right foot is now a little bit tender and will likely be bruised just a little bit. But I'm not gonna let that stop me. So obviously I just got back from my run. There's like no way I'm gonna let a little bruise stop me from putting some work in. So I ended up only going for 2 miles. Actually, a mile and a half in, I ran into some of my jiu-jitsu buddies, and I just caught up with them, talked with them, walked with them for 2 miles or so, and then after that I came back, ran half a mile, so I only ran 2 miles. I'm gonna throw the map up here, splits up here, and I just want to save my legs for Goku Runners 5K tomorrow, because I will be going balls to the walls, and I hope my foot doesn't balloon up. Right now it's still fine, like I can jump on it, feels fine, so hopefully it'll be okay by tomorrow. And if you didn't know, I am really into jiu-jitsu, and I really like it. I actually, to be honest with you, sorry to all my running friends and my running people out there, but I like jiu-jitsu more than I like running. The only reason that I'm doing more running now, obviously, is because the jiu-jitsu gyms aren't open, but I can't wait for them to open back up again so I can get back on the mats. And if you don't know what jiu-jitsu is, so I do Brazilian jiu-jitsu too, not Japanese jiu-jitsu. So if you don't know what jiu-jitsu is, you're basically trying to strangle each other and you're trying to kill each other, but you let go before you kill each other, or you let go before you're about to snap someone's arm. And I've been doing jiu-jitsu for, I don't know, a little over 2 years, and I am a blue belt, so I'm still fairly a newbie. It goes white, blue, purple, brown, black. So I am 2 out of the 5. And I just really enjoy it. And when the gym opens back up, I'll probably scale back. Not probably, I'll definitely scale back on the running. I'll make sure to get my long run in, but I will be putting more time into jiu-jitsu. When jiu-jitsu was open, or when the gym was open, I was going to jiu-jitsu 5 to 6 days a week, and then I was putting in 35 to 40 miles, and then I tapered back on my lifting. So my lifting, I was doing like 2 to 3 days a week. And since I'm on the topic of jiu-jitsu, I am just gonna roll with it. I've really come to like jiu-jitsu a lot, not only for the physical benefits, but for the mental benefits, because you're literally playing human chess. And the great thing is, it doesn't matter how small you are, you can always whoop the bigger guy's butt. And I am a very small human being, and I've seen this in action. I've seen 110-pound females whoop guys that are 200 plus pounds. I've seen guys that are 130 pounds whoop guys that are 200 pounds. And I myself am not at that point yet. I'm only a blue belt. I'm only 2 years in. But if I keep putting in work, I will someday get there. And here is a short clip of me going head-to-head with the black belt that I take private lessons with. He lets me kind of play with it, but eventually he does submit me. He's pretty nice about it, but if he really wanted to kill me, he could probably do it a lot sooner than he's gonna do in this clip.
Alright guys, nice seeing you. Take care.
Oh! Yo, you're back! Almost forgot to include my pull-ups. Was able to do body weight times 3 sets of 25 reps per set. And my back is feeling good, it's feeling strong. I was able to do 3 sets, as I said, of 25 reps per set, which is a step up from a few weeks ago. I've been slowly working in 1 rep more per session. So a couple weeks ago, not a couple weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, I started with body weight times 3 sets of 22, and then I did 23, 24, and then now, today I did 25. So I'm gonna keep with this same style. I'm gonna be working up until I can hit well, until I can't hit them anymore. And my max pull-up in one hang is 31. So like I'm like 6 off, so I think I'm getting stronger, and I think my like one hang pull-up has definitely gone up. And I'm just excited because in a few days I'll be able to do 26, 27, 28. Like, what if I can do body weight times 3 sets of 31? That would be crazy. That means I would have to be able to do more than 31 in one hang. So I'm super excited, and I took a picture, posted it on my Instagram, and I just look like wide. And I know I need some thickness, and I'll definitely be doing some more rows to add to that thickness, but my width I am super happy about. And overall, everything's just lining up. It's lining up, baby. Let's do this. So thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed that video. If you have any questions for me, about jiu-jitsu, about my experience, let me know down in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up. It would really help me out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you all tomorrow.